Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors. The all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban layu ban puli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number khandai nyo sao san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan, ar riwe khandai pra. Ka Kanhun Menteri Jong Sorkar Jilla ka Pesantrik Nailar Arhajar Pulai kala ajing Mynjur Bante Tylli Medical College hakane ke Jilla Meghalaya kata Shillong Tura Batkawe Riboy District hakabe dei bakania ka Sorkar kal thung da ka committee bat latarwaru kumno ban pentulun chkhmat ya ka jing trikam jokini college ban satai no shen.
The finalization of placing a roadmap for the immediate procedure starting of 3 medical colleges in the state of Meghalaya. We will have one in Shillong, we will have one in Tura, and we will have one in Riboy district. I request the Principal Secretary, Mr. Sampat Kumar, to brief the media accordingly.
So the Cabinet has been given a presentation from Health Department for a strategic proposal to set up 3 medical colleges in the state. One has already in the pipeline, that is Tura Medical College, which the construction is going on, and where the proposal was today, the Cabinet has discussed about how actually these colleges will be set up. So similarly, the Shillong Medical College, by leveraging the existing resources, what we have, like a civil hospital, Shillong, Ganesh Das Hospital, using this entire infrastructure, and also by leveraging the existing the human resources, especially the specialist doctors and those who can actually potentially become the faculty in the medical college. So taking all that, we have mapped, a committee has been constituted. Based on that, a proposal has been made how actually we can in the next 2 to 3 years a Shillong Medical College can be set up. By in fact the entire necessary action is going to be initiated from now. That is one, and which will start with a 50-bedded hospital in Shillong, and but over a period of time, in the, once we build our own faculty, local faculty, that will be upgraded to even 100 seat medical college. Tura Medical College, the challenge is that like we definitely the faculty. So there again we are the Cabinet has asked the department to explore how actually that can be run using a PPP mode by identifying some reputed medical institutions to help in terms of operationalizing the medical college. And the third one is it's a private initiative from the USTM, which has come up with a very mutually beneficial proposal where they have been offering the free and concessional medical seats to the state students and also requesting for a financial assistance in the form of a repayable loan. So that also has been considered to go on a switch challenge mode. Switch challenge mode is that it's a unique proposal. So we will actually, once we examine the entire proposal, it will be put in the public domain and asking everybody to challenge if there is any other better proposal is there. Then actually the government would accordingly take a decision. So for all these 3 colleges, the Cabinet has given a nod to the department to take next steps. The details will be worked out, but there is a ballpark kind of a thing is there. Tura Medical College already it started with in fact about 247 kind of a crores, and where the work has been started. It is actually out of that actually it's actually central government is also funding that project with about 180 crores. So that's one project that is going on. Whereas the Shillong Medical College, since we have already the existing infrastructure, we have the huge infrastructure is we have already 550 beds are there, and also we have existing faculty that are going to be trained in the next 2-3 years to be able to become the faculty. So that there actually maybe the projected cost would be around 114 crores. Additional cost would be required. So regarding the USTM, there it's again a completely new medical college. So there actually they're asking for a financial assistance in the form of a loan that will be around 230 crores. So I said it will take some time, but like the way that we are planning this entire thing in a very mission mode, it should take about 24 months to 36 months.
So we can say that
college will be in Shillong?
Could be. It could be because there is a lot of everything's infrastructure is already there. Faculty is also not a problem, so that's where actually we are looking.
So we can say within 2 years, Meghalaya will be having its own medical.
That's our target.
College.
Yeah, that's our target. 2 to 3 years. Yeah.
In fact, the progress of the Tura Medical College in terms of infrastructure building is already at about 44%. And we are looking at a fast tracking, and they have given, TCIL has given us a commitment that by May of 2024, we would be able to complete most of the buildings. We've just been briefed by the officials, and progress seems to be good. We may have problems in as far as running the medical college there. As far as Shillong Medical College, we are likely to take off very quickly. At least cabinet note has been given today. We will immediately start off the process because we have to ask for permissions. We have to seek, we have to comply with all the requirements. It's a huge process. Point being that we have taken this decision today. Likely, we may have in the next maybe 2 to 5 years, at least a good 100 plus, 140 plus good seats for the state of Meghalaya, which will increase proportionately every time. We're looking at a target of 240 finally, or maybe even 340 odd seats.
Ma'am, that is after creating the infrastructure and everything. But my question is, will we be able to start the medical academic session from this year on?
No. I said that takes about 2 to 3 years.
Yes. We are likely, confidently saying that the academic section for USMT should come about by 25. Shillong, very high probability.
By 25.
And Tura between 25-26. We are aware that Government of India may, but we are in the process of negotiation. We will be meeting the Honorable Ministers of Health in the Government of India. We hope that they will consider our requests, and we are hoping that we will be able to get these seats
Till we establish
our own.
Shillong is
Government.
Tura is also government, but
Partnership.
for operations, actually, because we don't have enough faculty there, we definitely have to look for someone actually to partnership. Tura expected to be 100, that's why it's being built, and basically again we have to get that partnership to run the medical college with the faculty, because to run a 100-seat medical college you require about 106 faculty members. So that's one. Whereas Shillong Medical College, there is a already local, both the hospitals put together. It's a kind of already enough faculty is there to start with 50 seat in Shillong. And then in the years to come, once we get our own faculty members, more and more our doctors will get specialization and they get SRship and then they become faculty. Then that Shillong also will become 100 seat. So from USTM it will be, they have offered about 40 seats, free and concessional seats, and also
sponsored
and also about 25 PG seats. That's a very good offer they have given to us.